2001. ¿Cuánto?
Ahora.
7. So like no more than $3 on them. Mickey Mouse duffel. Embroidery is a little worn, but I gotta patch that up. Yeah, that's nice. Alright. How much?
$5. Only $5.
Where's this strap on to? This strap's on. Oh, right here. Ooh, the yonk. The yonk, yonk, yonk. Yonkity, yonk, yonk, yonk. It's a nice color. It's a little too stained up. Oh, this is a nice sweater. It's an older tag. Oh, it's got a hole. These are shorts. Interesting. Look at this. They're little mini shorts. Look at these. Interesting. I can clean. I want to clean these. These are so tiny, but I love them. You see door. That's cool. Look at that. Grand Canyon. Is it tore up? No, this is cool. It's in good shape. I'm gonna get it. Oh, an old Disneyland one. Right on. Yes. Get it. Nice. That one, that one, that one. Jesus, there's so much stuff here. Okay. See you?
Yeah.
Alright. So, 2 of the flags and then some shorts.
No.
20.
20? Oh.
Este billete. 5 No, 10. 10.
We should do 10. I gotta fix all of them.
Okay, can we
10? Okay. Super jeans. Here, Calvin. Fine. Yep. Get those. They're like kids, but I like them. For the super skinnies.
I would, but
Oh. Oh, very cool. Let's see. Is it if it's older? Oh, that's cute. Oh, what do you want for him?
¿Cuánto? 5.
$5. He's what is it? 96.
It's a Christmas one though.
Yeah. You could always cut off the hat. Let me see. Take. ¿Puedo verlo?
Yeah.
Sí. You could always cut off the hat. I mean, you know,
The ammo box?
the little stickies. Oh, here. Oh, that's cool.
Ya comenzamos tarde también.
Oh, with the clothes.
Que por el puto cambio de horario, que no sé qué.
Over. Let me see if the other one has stuff too. Tackle. This one doesn't have the thing. Ask him. That's cool.
Here, hold it real quick.
15? Take gamble on that. That's cool. We'll see.
No bag, no bag.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
You got the good one. Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
you got the good one. At the very least, we'll make our money back for it, you know, with some extra, but that's cool. I haven't seen that before. Cool. Well, I kind of wanted the Grand Canyon one in truth. So your buns. Ooh, I see a bag that has not been opened. ¿Puedo abrirlo? Can I open this? Yeah? Peace, love, crabs. Joe's Crab Shack. Peace, love, crabs. Oh, here, but this one not. Find anything yet? Took me like 4 piles to find anything.
Just a shirt and a TV.
A TV?
Fake TV.
Okay.
It's cool.
There you go, that'll work. Alright, so this is cool. Just need to clean it, but that's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Also, should have brought gloves because my hands are already dirty. Walgreens spray. Oh my goodness. Putt watch. That's cute. That's cute. Huh? Yorkshire blue. Always gotta check the leather. Yeah, the leather looks good. Yeah, okay, I could do this one too. Let's see. Virginia. Oh, Virginia Slims wear. Very cool. I could do that. So I got 2 bags and then these 2 things.
Give it 10.
10? Sure. Oh, long old dress. Maybe. Oh, these are nice. No. Ooh, terry cloth. Jansen. Nice. It's a nice one. Yeah. Nice one. Yeah, good socks. It's in good shape. It's in good shape. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4.
4?
Yeah.
$20.
Okay. Would you do 15?
$5 each.
$5 each?
Yeah.
What's that? Just 2. Just 2. You gotta pick and choose. So gun sacks, I'll take that for 5. And then the other one, I like the terry cloth ones. They usually go, you know, it obviously varies on the brand, but terry cloth shirt is a good shirt, and when especially when it's clean, you know. That one just has a little bit of peeling, but they all do. Yeah, dope. Cannot get it. Impossible. Oh yes, I like these. How cute. This is for 2. $2? Cool. God, look at that TV. So nice. Wow. Wow. I found you! I found you! And I wasn't even looking for the right sweater. I'm all done. Are you all done?
Yeah.
Cool. Show me what you got.
We got a
Oh,
5 goes west. It's
cute.
like a piggy bank.
That's precious. Oh, right here. Let's say so.
Oh, what about this one?
What?
The nun salt shaker.
Oh, the. All right. All right. I'm with it. Let me see this TV.
It's like a prop TV.
Yeah.
I just like it, the display.
That's super cool.
And the crow.
Oh, the crow.
And visitors
McDonald's.
Alice.
Right on. Nice. Nice. That's cute.
1986.
It's cute. It's
It
adorable.
doesn't have a top, but it's still cool.
It's cool.
You like $2?
It's a big piece of cheese.